G20 शेरपा امیتابھ کانت کا کہنا ہے کہ مندوبین اپنے ہمراہ حسین یادیں لے جائیں گے. انہوں نے کہا کہ مندوبین جموں کشمیر کے لوگوں کی گرمجوشی، پیار اور مہمان نوازی کی یادیں اپنے ساتھ لے جائیں گے. G20 اجلاس جموں کشمیر میں امن و خوشحالی کا پیغام عام کرے گا.
Oh, it's been wonderful. Absolutely fabulous. What a gorgeous golf course. This is easily the best golf course in India. There can't be a better golf course. This is paradise. This is absolute heaven. It's a unique experience. And I would suggest that all the golfers from across the world should come and play here just to experience what great golfing is all about. It's been a brilliant experience. Fabulous, great hospitality, wonderful warmth and affection. And I think the local administration led by the Lieutenant Governor has done a fabulous job of putting excellent arrangements. I think every single G20 member and delegate who's come have appreciated the great work. We've truly enjoyed this visit because we've been able to do a lot of hard work. We've been able to see Kashmir. We've been able to enjoy the warmth and great affection of the people of Kashmir. This demonstrates the great soft power of Kashmir. This demonstrates the great Sufi culture which blends very clearly with the philosophy of G20, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. There's one earth, one future. All that is embodied in the Sufism of Kashmir, and therefore we are all one family. And there, to my mind, this was truly demonstrated by the Jammu and Kashmir administration, that we worked as one family, all of us, to create a great experience of G20, and every delegate has gone back with a fascinating memory, and they will bring back a large number of their relatives. They will bring back a large number of visitors. They will all become ambassadors of Kashmir.